Now another important terms of concentration student here is mole fraction of components. If there are two components, there are three components, there are four components. So mole fraction means fraction of mole. A student, suppose you are contributing, you want to eat one samosa, and there are two students. One student is having 4 rupees, one student is having 6 rupees, and what is the cost of samosa? Suppose 10 rupees. So what will be the fraction in samosa of each student? Okay, so 4 by 10 and 6 by 10, because contribution of one is 4, contribution of another is 6, and total is 10. So fraction is 4 by 10 and 6 by 10. So similarly, if we are having a number of components, so mole fraction, suppose we are having here component A, component B, two components are there in a solution. These are the components of solution, and number of mole for A, number of mole of A, and number of mole of B is NB. Its mole fraction is XA, and its mole fraction is XB. Suppose number of mole of A is Na, number of mole of B is Nb, mole fraction of A is XA, mole fraction of B is XB. Then what is the XA? It is Na divided by Na plus Nb. Number of mole of component A divided by total number of mole in the solution. And what is the mole fraction of B? It is Nb divided by Na plus Nb. Now what is the total of mole fraction? Xa plus Xb is equal to this plus this, this plus this, Na by Na plus Nb plus Nb upon Na plus Nb. Okay, so denominator is same, so it will be Na plus Nb divided by Na plus Nb, and it is equal to 1. So remember, mole fraction, total of mole fraction is 1. Xa plus Xb is equal to always 1. Remember, if we are having 3 component, then the total of mole fraction of all component is 1. We are having 4 component, then total of mole fraction of 4 component is 1. Now suppose mole fraction of one component is 0.6. Suppose mole fraction of a component is 0.6, then what be the mole fraction of another? 1 minus 0.6, that is 0.4. Total sum of mole fraction should be 1. Clear? Now let us take one numerical here, student. 10% ethanol, C2H5OH, is dissolved in water, suppose, by mass. We are having a solution of ethanol 10% by mass, aqueous solution. Then find mole fraction of ethanol in water. So what is the meaning of this 10%? 10% by mass means W by W, 10 gram ethanol and 100 gram solution. 10 gram ethanol in 100 gram solution. So mass of component A, mass of component is 10 gram, and what will the mass of component B? B is water. One component ethanol, another component water. Ethanol, and it will be 100 minus 10, that is 90 gram. This is water. So what is the number of mole of ethanol? 10 upon, what is the molar mass of ethanol? C2H5OH, C2H5OH. So it should be 46. 12 into 2, that is 24, 5 into 1, that is 5, 6, sorry, 5 into 6, it is 30, and 16, 1 into 16 of oxygen, that is 46. So molar mass of ethanol is 46. It is 46. And what is NB? It will be mass of water, 90 divided by 18, that is 5. Okay, and it will be 1 by 4, that is 0 0.2, 0.025, 0.25, sorry, 0.25. So what is XA? 0.25. What is the formula of XA? Na. It is Na divided by Na plus Nb, and you can put value here. What is Na? 0.25. and what is Na? 0.25. what is Nb? 5. So it is 0.25 divided by 5.25. you can calculate here. Or another simple way, what is NB? NB it is equal to 90 upon 18, that is 5. So what is XB? NB upon Na plus Nb, that is 5 upon 0.25 plus 5. So it is equal to 5 upon 5.25, that is approximate 0.99 something, 0.98 something. So XA will be 1 minus this, 1 minus 0.98, that is 0.02. you can find out.